Display size. OnePlus Nord C3 Lite 5G is 6.72 inches. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is 6.6 inches. Display resolution. OnePlus Nord C3 Lite 5G is 1080 into 2400 pixels, with 391 ppi density. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is 1080 into 2408 pixels, with 400 ppi density. Display type. OnePlus Nord C3 Lite 5G is IPS LCD display. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is TFT LCD display. Display protector. OnePlus Nord C3 Lite 5G is Corning Gorilla Glass. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Operating system. OnePlus Nord C3 Lite 5G is Android 13, Oxygen OS 13.1. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is Android 12, One UI 4.1. Chipset. OnePlus Nord C3 Lite 5G is Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is Exynos 1280. Processor. OnePlus Nord C3 Lite 5G is octa-core processor. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is octa-core processor. GPU. OnePlus Nord C3 Lite 5G is Adreno 619. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is Mali G68. RAM. OnePlus Nord C3 Lite 5G is 8GB. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is 6GB and 8GB. ROM. OnePlus Nord C3 Lite 5G is 128GB and 256GB. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is 128GB. Front camera. OnePlus Nord C3 Lite 5G is 16MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p video recordings. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is 8MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p video recordings. Back camera. OnePlus Nord C3 Lite 5G is 108MP wide, 2MP macro, and 2MP depth camera, with 1080p video recordings. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is 50MP wide, 5MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro, and 2MP depth camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Connectivity. OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G is GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. Battery. OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G is 5000 mAh battery, with 67 watt fast charging. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is 5000 mAh battery, with 25 watt fast charging. Market price. OnePlus Nord C3 Lite 5G is 8GB by 256GB. Prices approximate 38,000 BDT. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is 8GB by 128GB. Prices approximate 37,000 BDT. Recommendation: OnePlus Nord C3 Lite 5G is recommended for mid-end gaming, low-end photography, and low-end videography. Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is recommended for low-end gaming, mid-end photography, and mid-end videography.